Tired of projects spiraling out of control? Let's tame the chaos with Asana's Gantt chart feature in just 90 seconds. First, open your project in Asana. You'll likely start in List View, which is great for initial task entry, but not so great for seeing the big picture. Now, click the Timeline tab at the top of your project view. This magically transforms your list into a beautiful, interactive Gantt chart. Here's your Gantt chart. Each task is represented by a bar, showing its duration, start date, and end date. Drag the ends of the bars to adjust the task duration. See how easy it is to reschedule. This is perfect for adapting to unexpected delays. Hovering over a task reveals more details, like assignee and status. Click on a task to open its details pane. From here, you can add descriptions, assignees, due dates, and even subtasks. Now, let's create dependencies. Click and drag from the end of one taskbar to the beginning of another. This shows which tasks must be completed before others can start. Asana can even highlight the critical path, the sequence of tasks that directly impacts your project's completion date. Look for the critical path button or a keyboard shortcut. Use the zoom controls at the top to get a closer look or to see the entire project timeline at a glance. And that's it. You've now created a Gantt chart in Asana, providing a clear overview of your project, helping you track progress and identify potential bottlenecks. Get organized and make your project successful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Asana tips.